Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your files so nothing breaks. First, back up the Geometry Dash folder and local data to a separate location. This protects progress and custom levels. Next, choose the track you want and convert it to a supported format, MP3 or WAV, at 128/320 kbps for consistent playback. Once done, name the file clearly and keep a copy outside the game folder. Make sure your audio length fits the intended level timing before you proceed to replacement steps. You now replace or import the audio into Geometry Dash. If using the in-game song import, upload the track and note the song ID. This integrates with the editor automatically. If replacing files manually, overwrite the target audio in the game's resources folder while the game is closed. This ensures the new file is read on launch. Once loaded, open the level editor, insert the song ID, or assign the replaced file. Then preview and tweak loop, point so obstacles sync with beats. You finish by testing and resolving issues. Play the entire level to confirm timing. If the music is off, adjust the song offset in the editor until jump cues align. If the game doesn't play the new audio, clear cache, restart the device, or reinstall Geometry Dash to force resource reload. Should any corruption appear, restore your backed up local data and audio files. One key tip: always keep original backups so you can revert quickly without losing levels or progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.